Mango health benefits. Mangoes, often referred to as the king of fruits, are not only delicious but also packed with numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key advantages of including mangoes in your diet. 1. Rich in nutrients. Vitamins. Mangoes are an excellent source of vitamins A and C. Vitamin A supports eye health, while vitamin C boosts the immune system. Minerals. They contain essential minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining heart health and normal blood pressure levels. Antioxidants. Mangoes are rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and zeaxanthin, which help protect the body against free radicals. 2. Supports digestive health. Dietary fiber. Mangoes are high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps prevent constipation. Enzymes. They contain digestive enzymes such as amylases, which break down complex carbohydrates into simple sugars, facilitating better digestion. 3. Boosts immunity. Vitamin C. The high vitamin C content in mangoes helps strengthen the immune system and improve the body's ability to fight infections. Beta-carotene. The beta-carotene in mangoes is converted into vitamin A, which also supports a healthy immune response. 4. Promotes heart health. Potassium. Mangoes are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart function. Antioxidants. The antioxidants in mangoes help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are risk factors for heart disease. 5. Enhances skin health. Vitamin A. Vitamin A promotes healthy skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Hydration. Mangoes have high water content, which helps keep the skin hydrated and glowing. Anti-aging. The antioxidants in mangoes help slow down the aging process by protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals. 6. Supports eye health. Vitamin A. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good vision and preventing night blindness. Zeaxanthin. This antioxidant helps filter out harmful blue light rays and is beneficial for overall eye health. 7. May lower cancer risk. Polyphenols. Mangoes contain polyphenols, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Antioxidants. The antioxidants in mangoes help protect cells from DNA damage that can lead to cancer. 8. Improves brain health. Vitamin B6. This vitamin is essential for brain development and function. Mangoes provide a good amount of vitamin B6. Glutamine acid. Mangoes contain glutamine acid, which is known to improve concentration and memory. 9. Aids in weight management. Low calorie. Mangoes are relatively low in calories, making them a healthy snack option. Fiber. The fiber content helps you feel full longer, which can help with weight management. 10. Enhances overall health. Anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in mangoes have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Alkalizing effect. Mangoes have an alkalizing effect on the body, which helps maintain the body's pH balance. Incorporating mangoes into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, from improving digestion and boosting immunity to enhancing skin health and supporting heart health. Enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, salads, or as a delicious snack to reap their full benefits.